Hi everyone, Edwina from BirthBeat. Today I've got a tip and a trick for you if you have engorged, heavy breasts. So usually between day 3 and day 5, as your milk moves from that sticky, thick colostrum to more volume in the milk, your breasts feel really heavy and they can feel really hot. And this is a little bit where anecdotally they would talk about putting cabbage leaves on your breasts and things like that. You can do that. Really though, you're just going to end up smelling like cabbage. So I have a fabulous tip here for you. Take a newborn nappy, open up that nappy and give it a good twist, okay? Because you want it to be in that nice curved shape, and fill it with a good cup of water. Let it all move around. And thankfully newborn nappies are lovely and absorbent, so they'll absorb all that water. Take another one, give it a twist. Fill it up with a good amount of water. Let it all move around. And it's that nice curved shape. Feel a little bit like Martha Stewart here. Here's some that I prepared earlier. Ta-da! And these are nice and curved. They've got a good amount of water in them. You can buy expensive gel packs and things to use at this time to help ice your boobs. But this is just a cheap, easy way to do it. You can have a couple in the freezer and keep rotating them. So after you've fed bub, or if your boobs are feeling really hot and heavy in those first few days, you literally just curve these around, pop them in your bra, and it's like you can have a little ice compress in there. Cheap, easy, and easy to make at home. For more things like this, check out birthbeat.com.au, and I'll talk to you soon.